Hello. Um, for your gig tomorrow, I wanted to help you out by showing you how I go about doing this, okay? I'm going to do one for you so you have an idea what to look for and how to do this. I'm going to start from the very beginning. Um, I sent you something called a master list, and this is basically your working file. And the way that I want you to do this is that I want you to work from the bottom going up, meaning you'll start right here and going up this way, okay? But in this case, I'm going to do one for you. I'm going to do let's say this one right here, okay? This one has two products associated with it, you see? And I know this because there's something called test bank sample and solution manual sample. That means that there's two samples in there, okay? Which means there's two different products. If you see something in this column, this means that this is for product A. This is for product B, okay? Now, for example, if you're doing, say, this one, okay, okay, I'm going. The posting that's tied to this one is posting UID 11751. Okay, so the very first thing to do is I take this, I copy this, I go in here. Okay, and here you can see this is my post, right? I'm gonna look for 11751 by just looking it in here, okay, and I'll pull it up. Okay, well that's looking. Okay, well that's going. I'm gonna go into my products. Okay, now you can see here I have two products, like I mentioned, product A right here and product B right here. Okay, I'm gonna create product A for this one first. Okay, product A would be, I will call it 11751A. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do two duplicates here. Okay, I'm opening a new tab like this. Okay, very easy. Okay, well while that's running, let's go back here and check on here. Okay, you can see here's my posting for 11751. This is where you're gonna copy in the final end product. So if we look at this post, it's still running. Still running. Okay, look, you see here there's two products. You see there's test bank and solutions manual, but there's no add cart to this, right? Because this is the old posting for 11751, which is this one here, 11751. Okay, so the end result is we're gonna make an update to this by adding the add to cart. Okay, this is product A. Okay, this is product B. Okay, so product A for this one would be 11751A. This one would be 11751B. So we're gonna go back into my products list, and you can see here that I made two duplicate copies of this right here. Okay, because I want to use something that I've already created because it basically has most of the stuff that I want in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here's my first one. Okay, I'm going to make the product ID for this one, or the product listing for this one. The first thing I do is I go in here. Look, okay, I'm just going to copy this all the way over here. Okay, copy this. Go into TB product posting, which is this is what creates product A right here. Okay, here you paste this in here. Okay, you copy this, paste that as a value. F2, Control Shift. Where was I at? Oh, sorry. It's this one here. Okay. F2, Control Shift Home. Copy. I'm gonna go back in here. This is product A. Remember this? Okay. I'm clicking text. Control A. Delete. Paste this. Okay. Next, I'm gonna make up. There's a couple updates that I have to make on here. Okay. The most important is this one right here. Take this one and I copy it right here, and I call this product A because this is for the test bank. Okay, then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna copy it down here. You see this right here? You just double click this right here. This that needs to be replaced. This is very important. Okay, just paste that over. This is already encoded. and this is what's going to allow my users to download the file. Okay, and another thing that you need to do is you need to take this right here, copy this here. Okay, next this, take this again. Okay, okay, and then the last thing that you need to check is to make sure that this right here is 11751A sample. Okay, you know that's correct. Okay, next I need to do, the last thing is I need to check the price, and the price can be found on here. Okay, it's $33. So I'm gonna put $33. Okay, and then that's when do one final check. 11751A sample is good. The price is good. This is correct, and this right here is 11751A matches this up here. Okay, after all that, you push publish. Okay, now I have to do my B. Okay, because you can see here that this has a B component right here. I know if there's something in here, that means that there's a product B. So I do exactly the same thing that I did earlier. Take this. Okay. Here. Now the only difference is instead of going to the product A product posting tab, you go here. You paste special values. Okay. Control copy this. Paste special values. Do it again. Okay. F2. Control Shift Home. Okay. Now we already published this one, so this one's already correct, and this one already has a product ID because we've already published it. Now you have to do the next one, okay? I'm gonna do everything the same. Paste here, okay? Take this, copy, and this is product B, okay? Go down here, paste, okay? And then I'm gonna take this right here, copy that, go down here. Price was $33. Let's see, is sample right? Yep, 11751B, that's correct. Okay, and here, and you publish, and that's it. Okay, so once you publish that, you're gonna wait for this one to publish. Okay, once it publishes, you can refresh this over here, and you will get the ID number, which you would copy into your master list right here. Okay, you see this product ID1 and product ID2. This is where you would put the ID for A, and this is where you would put it for B. Very simple. And I think this is still running, but that should be done. Okay, I just go back in here, and I'm just going to reload, and you can see two product IDs populate, right? Something you're already aware of. Okay, it's running. Okay, perfect. You see, I have those two product IDs. Okay, this is, copy this, go back into my master list. Okay, paste this here. Okay, go back here, copy this, paste this here. Okay, now you have everything you need to go into the posting. Okay, and here's the final posting. Okay, you basically have the info to copy this into the posting, which is, you see how this is the old posting, right? I'm gonna have to edit this, and then you go, okay, you can go back into final posting. You took what you had in there because you have those two product IDs in here. You go to final posting and you paste this in here. Okay, you copy this, you paste this. Okay, F2, Control Shift Home, copy this. Okay, here's the post. Okay, this is, I'm gonna delete this old post. Visual. Oh, text, paste, and you can see that you bet what you need to check for, just make sure A, the sample is correct. A sample, good. Sample B, solution manual, good. And here are the ID cards, right? Want to update this. And then when it's done, we're gonna view it, and you can see the final product. It's a very simple process. You know, it takes me longer to talk about it, but when you're doing your five postings tomorrow, I only want you to do this right here, okay? Here, I've done this already, so I'm gonna mark this right here. Okay, I want you to do only these right here. I already done this one, so you don't have to do it. Everything I've done, I'll mark it in red. Okay, so just go back to post and see if it's done loading. Okay, yeah, it is. So if you view the post, see, now you have an ad card for everything. See, for test bank and solutions manual. Now, this type of posting takes the longest to do because you have to do two of them, okay? Most of them only has the test bank, okay? And, 20% has the test bank and solutions manual, but this counts as one posting right here, okay? So I did that. So, I did. Now, when you before you publish it, when before you copy into the post, all I want you to do tomorrow before you um, publish it or update the post, I only want you to create the um, product ID, okay? Meaning I don't want you to paste this into the post before I check it to make sure that you're doing it correctly, okay? So tomorrow when you're doing this, for example, when you do this one right here, 1170, I only want you to make the product ID for B, okay? So when you make the product ID for B, it'll be 11770B, right? This one, okay? When you do this one, it'd be when you create the product ID 11769A, okay? You don't need to do this. This one, same thing. You do 11767B, product A, B. This one, 11765, product A. Okay, I want you just to do it in here first. Okay, create these first, do your five here, and let me check it before you update it to the post. Okay, okay, so it's pretty easy from there. So if you have any questions, just let me know.